Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact ZK Tico model and firmware, so you apply the correct reset method. This prevents bricking. Once you have the admin password, a charged battery or mains, and a USB or Ethernet cable, power the device and enter the menu. You will navigate to System or Admin Settings. Don't skip verifying time and date first because mismatches can cause sync issues later. If prompted, authenticate with the admin password to unlock reset options and prepare. You now find the factory reset or initialize option. This is often under system maintenance. Select whether to retain users or perform a full wipe. Choose full wipe when fingerprints are corrupted or access is compromised. Once you tap reset, the device asks for confirmation. Confirm twice to prevent accidental erasure. Make sure to monitor the progress indicator and do not cut power. After the reboot, the device should show default prompts if it returns to the menu. Proceed to the finalization steps. Once the device restarts, re-enroll the admin and at least one test fingerprint so you can access settings locally. Then restore your saved configuration or reconfigure network, date, and time to allow synchronization. This prevents matching errors. If the device fails to boot or the reset doesn't clear locks, try a hardware hard reset method. Remove power, open the case and short the reset jumper per model instructions, then reboot. If problems persist, contact ZK Support with model and firmware details for guided.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.